Menteri rang baka Jylla u Conrad ke sangma haka paratrik naitung ula ong baka Sorkar Jylla kala Tyrwa ka jingtih dewiong daka baklong tunnel ling bagi core technology kum kalat ban bujeli ka jingtih dewiong open cast kaba ula kedo halor ka jing haka liang kapisa tingka hapadeng kinong ti par try Jylla. Habakren Shakilat Patai Kubor hadin ka jinga kendu badangshan ya Menteri Katanat Mining ke Sorkar Pedeng Delhi u Conrad ulaong ba ka jinga kren ka penlet jingmat halor ka jing beteng ya ka kamti doyong da kalenti ka basngan bat ka ban pelilat iki rukam ti par ba khamren na ka benta ki troy muluk ka Jylla. Kumta ka ka bangya kren kalong baladala ban syakti da ka ba klong tunnel hakarukam kabala ban pendan kam de ki core technology kum ka 3D mapping ki jaka badan jingma ki jaka ki ba kinong ti par kila ban rung bat kilat kilinti ki bala ban yada ki par bat ban snapen skam ling ba ki jingtei ulaong. Menteri rang ba ulaong baka Sorkar Jylla kala Tyrwa banti doyong da ka baklang tunnel haringkat ka jing pendan kam ki core technology kenang ban light na kino ki jingma bat benrap bagi mesin ki bala ban thiet bat ki teknologi bala pendan kam ha ki wei pat ki ri ki dei ki bala ban pendan kam lang hang ni halur ki jingbu kendon kat kum ka MMDR Act u Conrad ula ong bagi kendon ba shispa akar hapo ka MMDR Act ka dei ka bamya hap satya bat kinong ti doyong jong ki par ki baren Menteri ka Sorkar pedeng ula menjur ban sa syong bishar ya kan ka benta Menteri ula batha iki officer ka coal ministry bat ki officer ka Sorkar Meghalaya bakin ya kindu hagin ki shpos ngi banwan ban shim ya ka rai halor kan ka jing terma ula a jing mutru ba secretary coal ministry bat additional secretary bat ki officer na ka Sorkar Meghalaya ki dei ban ya syong hagin ki kindiat sngi banwan ban ya mir jingmat halor kan ka kam kata hadin shita yo ne shipos ngi ka Sorkar Jylla kala kerpat ru ban IT ya ka bor ai jingbit hapo ka kindon arpun riu jongka MMDR Act sha ka Jylla. Kumta haba pensyong nongrim kerpang halor kata ka kindon arpun riu hi kerpat baya ka kindon sun way kaba ailat ban ai jing menjur ikikat gisla bapher bat ki mining plan ban IT no sha ka Sorkar Jylla dakaba pendan kam ya ka bor jongka kindon arpun riu ulaang.
We also had a meeting with the mining minister, and as you're aware, that we had shared a lot of details regarding the mining of the small-time local miners and traditional miners of our state. As you're aware, that the ban has been lifted by Supreme Court, but at the same time, the conditions of the MMDR Act, which require different scientific approaches, and open cast mining, and large areas to be mined was something that were becoming a problem for our local miners. And therefore, we took up this matter with central government, and I'm very pleased to inform you that the Honorable Minister was very much in line with what we mentioned, and he agreed that yes, 100 acres is not something which is feasible for our local miners, and hence we must review it again. And it is difficult for the local miners to go to Delhi all the time and apply for different license and paperwork, and hence some other mechanism must be sought out. Yet the safety of miners must be kept in mind, and therefore what kind of technology that can be used to maintain that safety needs to be also examined. And therefore Minister has suggested that the Secretary, Coal and Additional Secretary and officials from Meghalaya government must sit in the coming days, maybe a week or 10 days time, and thrash out all the issues, discuss all the matters that have been proposed by us, and come up with a formal kind of a presentation to him. In the representation that I had given to Honorable Minister, we had requested that under the MMDR Act, there is a section 26 which allows the central government to give the certain powers of the MMDR Act to state governments. So based on that particular provision of section 26, we have requested that the section 5.1, which allows the different paperworks and mining plans to be approved, which was the powers lied with the central government, we requested that using the Section 26 power, Section 5(1) powers may be given to the state government. At the same time, if necessary, central agency, a technical agency can be incorporated to work with the state government to look at the safety aspects and the different aspects of technology and the safety of the miners. So if that kind of a combination can work out, it could be a well worked solution that would suit the needs of our local miners as well as the concerns of Government of India.